Hi, Severin here, and today I'm going to show you how to build the perfect Shopify product page that converts. Right now your product page is making huge mistakes. These mistakes are costing you thousands in lost sales, and I know this because I've looked at thousands Shopify stores and 90% of them are missing the same elements. Today I'm giving you the complete checklist, 7 elements that must be above default on your product page. And by the end of this video, you will have a clear action plan to double or even triple your conversion rate. And you'll have the perfect above default product page. And let's start with element number 1, benefit-driven product title. First up, your product title. And no, I'm not talking about just white t-shirt or wireless headphones. Your product title needs to sell from the very first word. This means you include benefits directly in the name. Instead of just white t-shirt, try premium 100% cotton white t-shirt, ultra soft, breathable and perfect fit. See the difference? The customer immediately knows what the product is, why it's better and what problem it solves. They don't have to guess. They don't have to scroll, and they know instantly if this is for them. Your product title is valuable space. Don't waste it on basic descriptions. Pack it with value. Element 2, clear availability and delivery information. Next, and this is huge, availability and delivery information. Your customer needs to know 2 things immediately. Is this product in stock and when will I receive it? There is nothing more frustrating than falling in love with a product only to find out it ships in 6 weeks. And be honest about this. Use phrases like in stock, ships within 24 hours or limited stock, order now for delivery by Friday. This builds trust and manages expectations. It also creates urgency when you're low on stock. Being honest here can actually increase conversions because customers hate surprises. Element 3, 3 powerful benefit bullets. Now let's talk about your benefit bullets. You need 3 clear bullet points that answers one question. Why should I buy this? Not features, benefits. There's a huge difference. Don't say made with stainless steel. Say lasts a lifetime, never rusts. Don't say 180p camera. Say crystal clear video for perfect memories. Your 3 bullet points should cover: first, the main benefit or problem solved. Second, a unique feature that sets you apart. Third, a trust factor or quality promise. Keep them easy to read, keep them benefit focused and watch your conversions grow. High quality product images. Now we are getting to the most critical element, your product images. Your images need to do all the selling. A customer should be able to make a buying decision from your images alone without reading a single word of text. And here are 4 elements you need. First, multiple image types. A hero shot showing the product, lifestyle images showing it in news, close-ups of key features, size comparison shots, and your product from different angles. Second, make images clickable. Every image should open in a full screen view when clicked. Customers want to see details, textures, and quality. Let them zoom in and inspect everything. Third, professional quality. Your image quality directly shows your product quality in the customer's mind. Invest in good photography or mockups. Blurry, poorly lit images kill conversions faster than anything else. Fourth, add information to images. This is key. Add text, arrows, and callouts directly on your images. Highlight features and benefits. Think of your images as visual sales copy. The customer should understand your entire value just by looking at the pictures. Element 5, smart image navigation. Make it super easy to browse through your images. Keep an eye on these 3 elements. Number 1, thumbnail navigation. Display all image thumbnails below or beside the main image. Customers should see at a glance how many images there are and click to jump to anyone. Number 2, arrow navigation. Add clear left and right arrows on the main image so customers can click through without having to aim for small thumbnails. Number 3, mobile swipe. Mobile, and this is critical, enable mobile gestures. Let customers naturally swipe left and right through images. It's intuitive and keeps them engaged. The easier you make it to view your product, the more likely they are to buy. Element 6, sticky add to cart. And here's a game changer that most stores miss: a sticky add to cart button. When your customers scroll down the main add to cart button, a sticky version should appear at the bottom of their screen. This way, no matter where they are on the page, reading reviews, checking shipping info, viewing more images, they can always add to cart immediately. Remove friction. The moment someone decides to buy, you want that button right there. Don't make them scroll up. Every extra step is a chance for them to change their mind. Element 7. Sticky navigation bar. Finally, add a sticky navigation bar at the top. This should include your logo, menu, and most importantly, a visible cart icon. When a customer scrolls, they should always see how many items are in their cart, easy access to view their cart, and one-click checkout options. This is especially important if someone is shopping for multiple products. They can quickly check their cart, see the total, and go to the checkout without searching for navigation. Before we wrap up, here are 4 bonus tips that can take your product page from great to exceptional. Number 1, trust badges. Add security badges, money back guarantees, and payment icons near the add to cart button. This reduces purchase anxiety. Number 2, social proof. Display review stars and review count right near the product title. 4.8 stars from 1,247 reviews is instant credibility. Number 3, urgency elements. Only 4 left in stock, or 12 people viewing this now creates FOMO and drives faster decisions. Number 4, color variant swatches. If you have variants, show them visually with swatches, not just drop-down menus. Let customers see all options at once. And there you have it, the complete blueprint for the perfect Shopify product page. And let's recap the essentials. Number 1, benefit-driven product title. Number 2, clear availability and delivery info. Number 3, 3 powerful benefit bullets. Number 4, multiple high-quality clickable images. Number 5, easy image navigation with thumbnails and arrows. Number 6, sticky add to cart button. Number 7, sticky navigation bar. Implement these elements and you'll see your conversion rates climb. Remember, every detail matters. Your product page is your digital salesperson. Make sure it's working 24/7 to close deals. And if you found this helpful, smash the like button, subscribe for more Shopify tips, and drop a comment below with your biggest product page challenge. I read every single one. And thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.